Hello, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you a very interesting topic, fisheries. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to define fisheries, explain fish farming, describe appropriately fishes, and by the end of this lesson, you should also be able to state the types of water habitats and classify fishes according to habitats and morphology. Fisheries. Fisheries refer to the branch of agriculture that deals with the production of fishes and other aquatic animals. That is, it encompasses fish production and the production of other animals that lives in water. Examples include crabs, crayfish, oysters. Now all these animals, in addition to fish and others, are the concerns of fish farming. Fishes are cold-blooded animals. That is, the temperature of their body changes with the temperature of the water. That is, an increment in the water temperature will lead to an increment in the temperature of the body of the fishes, which is unlike terrestrial animals, that is, animals that live on land. Some of them, they can regulate the temperature of their body. Now, what are the features that makes it possible for a fish to be able to live inside water? Fish are aquatic animals, like I said, and they possess nostrils. From these nostrils, they take in water and they also bring out water. They have gills. These gills help them to absorb oxygen from water. The mouth is for feeding, and the scales are for protection. And it also helps to reduce friction during movement. Also, there is dorsal fin, there is caudal fin, and there is pelvic fin and pectoral fin. Now, fins in general helps the fish to locomote, to move around the water. The caudal fin helps to push it forward, while the pectoral fin, the pelvic fin, helps to direct and navigate the direction that the fish wishes to go. The lateral line helps the fish to detect vibrations in the water. This is a protective mechanism and is extremely important for survival. All these features helps the fish to be able to adapt and live in water. Fishes, like I said, they are cold-blooded animals and their temperature changes with a change in the temperature of the water. They can be found in different bodies of water that include streams, rivers, lakes, ponds. Now all these are bodies of water that one can find fishes. But another thing is the type of fish you find in a particular location depends on the nature of the water. Is it salt water or is it fresh water? All these equally determine the type of fish you find in a location. Naturally, fishes can be found in natural bodies of water such as rivers, such as streams, such as ocean body, such as our seas. Now all these are the natural homes of fishes, but these days man has devised means to cultivate them artificially. The source of fish for food. That is, fish is a good source of protein in human diet. It is a fine substitute for meat. That is, it serves the same purpose as meat. It provides protein which helps in replacement of worn out tissue in the body. Aside human being using fish as food, it can also be used in the production of animal feed. It makes a good use of land that would have ordinarily be unsuitable for arable farming. That is, there are some lands that are not fertile enough for crop production. Such land can easily be used for fish production. All one needs to do is to construct fish pond and you cultivate your fish in such land. Ordinarily, if it's not fertile enough, it will not be suitable for crop production. When crops are grown in such land, the productivity will be low. But this will not affect fish farming. That is, the fertility of the soil will not affect fish farming. Also, it serves as a good source of employment for fish farmers. Farmers who are into fish production, they earn a living from this business. Also, there are people who are involved in this same fish production and distribution. That is, they might be involved indirectly, like they don't produce but they sell to others. They buy from producers and they sell to others. They also earn a living from this business. Fish farming reduces the pressure of fishing in natural water bodies, e.g., seas, lakes, rivers. Ordinarily, tons and tons of fishes are harvested from these natural bodies of water every day. So, when fish are cultivated artificially in ponds by man, it reduces the pressure of fishing from natural water bodies. Fish farming can also lead to the improvement of natural fish stocks in lakes, rivers, etc. Fish can be bred in aquarium in regulated conditions, then they will be supplied to the natural water bodies through restocking. Take for instance, this is a facility that grows marine fishes and then supply to natural water bodies to replenish the population of fishes found in the natural bodies, considering those that has been lost through harvesting by fishermen. Different vessels such as ships, canoes can be used in harvesting fish. Oftentimes, these fishermen harvest a large amount of fishes from the water bodies, so there is need to replenish it. Also, fish farming also brings about fishing sports. These are situations whereby people come together to have fun by fishing. It can be in form of competition or just for fun. Now, the popular one in Nigeria is the Argungu Fishing Festival in Kebbi State, where fishermen come together to fish in a particular location, and the person with the biggest fish wins a prize. Now, this fishing festival is very popular in Nigeria, held annually in Kebbi State. The winner gets a prize, the second also get a prize, and the third also gets a prize. Fishes are purposely bred in the river throughout the year without being touched, and on the day of the festival, fishermen are allowed to go inside and fetch the biggest that they can. Now, the one with the biggest catch emerge the winner, and there are awards given to such persons.